How to draw with Cricut Joy Xtra pens. Step 1. First get your materials ready. Step 2. Next go to Cricut Design Space, go to Shapes and select a square to create a template. Step 3. Click the Color Box button in the Line Type panel and change the color of the template. Step 4. Go to Shapes again and select a square, click the color box in the Line Type panel and change the color to white. Step 5. Place the second square on top of the first one and resize it to complete the template. Step 6. With the first square selected, click Duplicate in the Layers panel and set the duplicated square aside. Step 7. Now go to Images, then search and select an image to use. Step 8. Once you've selected the image, click Add to Canvas, then place the image right on top of the template. Step 9. Resize the image to fit, select all the layers, click the Align drop-down and select Center. Step 10. Click Text, select a font and add text to the design. Step 11. Select the text, resize it and place it on the design. Step 12. Click the Align drop-down and select Center horizontally. Step 13. Hide the template from the Layers panel. Step 14. Select the second square in the design. Step 15. Click Attach on the bottom of the Layers panel. Step 16. Place the duplicated square next to the design, then click Make It. Step 17. Check the placement on the mat and click Continue. Step 18. Click Browse All Materials, select Cardstock and click Done. Step 19. Get all your colored pens ready and place the material on the mat. Step 20. Load the mat and insert the first colored pen into the machine and start drawing. Step 21. Change the colored pens whenever you're prompted to. Step 22. Once it's done drawing, it'll automatically start cutting. Step 23. Once done, unload the mat and peel off the design from the mat. Step 24. Assemble the card. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.